Here's a summary of Upwork's Q2 2025 earnings call, designed for clarity and readability when spoken aloud. Upwork's Q2 2025 earnings call summary. Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining Upwork's second quarter 2025 earnings conference call. Today, we'll be discussing Upwork's financial results with our President and CEO, Hayden Brown, and CFO, Erica Gessert. Key financial metrics and performance. Upwork delivered a record-breaking second quarter for both revenue and profitability. Revenue reached a new Q2 high of $194.9 million, exceeding expectations. This growth was primarily driven by AI enhancements on the platform, accelerated client hiring and AI-related work, effective ads and monetization strategies, and the strong performance of their Business Plus offering. Profit achieved a net income of $32.7 million, a 47% increase year-over-year, marking a record for any second quarter. Adjusted EBITDA came in at $57.1 million, resulting in an impressive 29.3% adjusted EBITDA margin, also a new record high and exceeding guidance. Gross margin. Non-GAAP gross margin was 77.8%, reflecting disciplined cost management. Gross service volume, GSV totaled $1 billion, stronger than anticipated, with average GSV per active client rising 5% year-over-year and exceeding $5,000 for the first time since 2022. This marks the fourth consecutive quarter of sequential growth in this key metric. Take rate. The marketplace take rate was 18.5%, up from 18% in the prior year, driven by successful value-based pricing strategies and growth in Connects and Freelancer Plus. Free cash flow generated $65.6 million in free cash flow for the quarter. Management's forecasts and raised guidance. Building on their strong performance and positive momentum, Upwork has raised its full-year 2025 guidance for both revenue and adjusted EBITDA. Q3 2025 revenue guidance expected to be in the range of $190 million to $195 million. Q3 2025 adjusted EBITDA guidance projected to be between $47 million to $51 million, representing a 25% to 26% adjusted EBITDA margin. This guidance factors in incremental costs from recent acquisitions and enterprise business expansion. Full-year 2025 revenue guidance increased to $765 million to $775 million. Full-year 2025 adjusted EBITDA guidance raised to $206 million to $214 million, equating to a 27% adjusted EBITDA margin at the midpoint, signifying over a 5-point margin expansion compared to 2024. Full-year 2025 non-GAAP diluted EPS expected to be between $1.14 and $1.18. Significant highlights. AI dominance. Upwork's AI initiatives are proving to be a significant growth driver. GSV from AI-related work accelerated to 30% year-over-year. The company is leveraging its Uma AI agent for talent interviewing, meeting summarization, and proposal writing, leading to improved client and freelancer experiences and increased engagement. Internal AI adoption, such as AI-generated code, is also boosting efficiency. Business Plus success. The premium offering for teams and larger SMBs saw active clients increase 45% quarter-over-quarter, with GSV surging 190%. Notably, 35% of Business Plus clients were new to Upwork, highlighting its effectiveness in attracting and expanding wallet share with larger customers. Strategic enterprise acquisitions. Upwork announced two key acquisitions by its new enterprise subsidiary, Bubby, a contingent workforce management platform, and a definitive agreement to acquire Asin, a contingent W2 work solution. These acquisitions are designed to create a unified, contract-agnostic solution for large enterprises, enabling Upwork to capture a greater share of the $650 billion contingent workforce TAM. While these acquisitions will have a modest impact in late 2025, they are expected to drive meaningful growth starting in late 2026 and be significantly accretive by 2027. Advertising and monetization. Revenue from these offerings grew 17% year-over-year, contributing to take rate expansion. Spend per contract growth. Average spend per contract grew 11% year-over-year, reaching its highest ever level over a 12-month period, indicating clients are engaging in larger, more complex projects. Capital returns. Upwork repurchased $38 million of stock in the quarter and plans to remain active in share repurchases. Significant lowlights/challenges. Macroeconomic environment. While Upwork is outperforming, the macro environment remains unpredictable, with slower client acquisition weighing on active client metrics. The company is offsetting these pressures through its strategic initiatives. Enterprise revenue. Sequential enterprise revenue was down sequentially due to ongoing internal budget cuts and layoffs at a few large customers. However, this is expected to reverse with the new strategy and acquisitions. Most important statements from management. Hayden Brown, President and CEO. Upwork delivered another record quarter on both the top and bottom lines. We generated our highest ever Q2 revenue of $194.9 million, with our outperformance driven by AI enhancement of the platform, accelerated client hiring and AI-related work, ads and monetization strategies, and our thriving Business Plus offering. She emphasized that their three-pronged strategy centered on AI, ads and monetization, and enterprise is exceeding our expectations and bolsters our confidence in a GSV growth outlook for 2026. Regarding the enterprise strategy, she stated, "This combination of assets completes our enterprise offering, bringing talent sourcing, contracting, and workforce management in a unified experience, purpose-built for large companies and every type of contingent work. This is a powerful combination. It accelerates our ability to capture a greater share of the $650 billion contingent workforce TAM, and we expect it to begin driving meaningful GSV and revenue growth starting in late 2026. Erica Gessert, Chief Financial Officer. We delivered an outstanding second quarter with revenue of $194.9 million and better-than-expected performance across all financial metrics. The quarter's results clearly demonstrate the significant advancement of our AI efforts and product enhancements, resulting in growth of our core marketplace business, including Business Plus. She highlighted, "Our focused, disciplined approach to margin expansion while investing in growth was evident across our business, as our adjusted EBITDA margin hit a new record high of 29.3%, exceeding our guidance range." Addressing the enterprise acquisitions, she noted, "The combination of these assets is a game changer for our customers. Having a full-stack contract-agnostic enterprise solution will solve key customer pain points and enable us to unlock this massive enterprise market in an expanded way." She also reiterated the long-term vision. "We are building the foundation for accelerated multi-year growth, and this is reflected in our increased 2025 guidance ranges. We are on the path to top-line growth in 2026, driven by multiple well-developed catalysts." In summary, Upwork had a stellar second quarter, exceeding expectations across key financial metrics, largely propelled by its AI strategy and strong performance in Business Plus. The company has significantly raised its full-year guidance and is making strategic moves, including key enterprise acquisitions, to position itself for accelerated long-term growth, while actively managing costs and returning capital to shareholders.